Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back, boys and girls, with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, August the 9th, almost weekend, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, in Dutch they call it, cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one, the binary. It's binary time, yes. Binary puzzle number 9062. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. A binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then let me see. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Then let me see. Now it will be difficult. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. Wow, this one also quick to solve. We solve it again, and I like this one here, so really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.